We wanted a good model for researchers who have periodic infusions of funds to get access to a much larger resource than they could afford just for their group. My name is Ron Hawkins, and I'm with the San Diego Supercomputer Center. The Triton Shared Computing Cluster is a condo cluster, which is where the researchers buy compute nodes for the cluster and become community participants in the cluster. With the condo model, the researchers get access to the cluster proportional to the number of resources they contribute, but the beauty is they could buy one compute node and then be able to run jobs that are 10 compute nodes or 20 compute nodes. We have a broad range of research going on at UC San Diego. We have a lot of life sciences research, biology, geophysics, and earthquake simulation. We have about 400 nodes now, 300 GPUs, 36 participating groups, and that translates into hundreds of users. We competed for a standard compute node provider, and Dell was the winner of that competition. For the last 2 years, we've standardized on Dell technology. That's been a very good arrangement, and it's worked well for the indefinite quantity purchasing over a period of time. With the standing agreement, we don't need to compete for the resources every time, so we can get the researchers up and running very quickly when they have their funds available. We use the C6400, which is the high-density 4-node chassis, when we have multiple node acquisitions, and then when we have 1 or 2 node requirements, we use the PowerEdge R740 servers. The form factors just give us flexibility in whether we're adding 1 or 2 node or we're adding the multiples of 4, and where we can take advantage of the high-density configuration. Dell has been a great partner for the Triton Shared Computing Cluster. Now we're expanding capabilities with Dell's assistance, so we are appreciative of that and excited about the capabilities we're going to be providing to our researchers in the future.